Fees matter in an absence of value. Imagine, today, you have a meeting with one of your top clients. It's a husband and wife, but it's a little bit different. You see, their daughter works at a top 5 CPA firm in another state, and she's in town, and she wants to meet with you and mom and dad just to see what you're doing for them. Feels a little different, doesn't it? Hi, I'm Brad Connors, and I'm just like you. I've worked in this industry over the past 25 years, and I've had that meeting that we just talked about. You see, in this industry, we believe that there's some dangers that are approaching. We all know that there's fee compression coming. Fees continue to get pushed down and down and down, and at the same time, we have to articulate our value to justify those fees. But we also know that we have some strengths. You're already a successful advisor, or you wouldn't even be taking a look at this today. You see, we work with some of the best financial advisors that are out there. And you have opportunities. You have an opportunity to sit down with that client later today and articulate your value. You have an opportunity to show them why you're different and why they need to be doing business with you. Over the past 25 years, we've looked for this opportunity to articulate our value to our clients, and we didn't find it. So we had to build it. Over the last 4 or 5 years, we've put together this software that's very simple and elegant and allows you to articulate your value to your client. It walks them through step by step exactly what you're doing from a planning standpoint. So now imagine it's this afternoon and the client walks in with their daughter and you greet them, but the first thing you pull up is FDC Plan on Purpose. And you go through the avatar that mom and dad have chosen for the future, what they're looking forward to, and then you talk about the future, exactly what they want to have happen in the next 12 months to be happy. You start every meeting on a positive focus no matter what the market is doing. And then you flip to the next page. As their daughter sits there, you walk through each thing that you've did planning for. Social Security, long-term care insurance, what's the story around that, and taxes, and family meeting which you're having today. And then when you get done with that, you go to your other software and show them cash flow and you show them returns. And at the end of that meeting, because this happened to me, you ask the daughter, do you have any other questions? And the daughter looks at mom and dad and says, Mom and Dad, I love what Brad is doing for you. But he's mentioned to me a couple times during our meeting about a Roth conversion that your CPA has not been on board with. Maybe it's time to get a second opinion for your CPA. You see, guys, fees matter in the absence of value. And when you can put in front of your clients and their children exactly what you've done for them over the years, you win, the client wins, and you have clients for life. No more fee compression, justify your fee, actually gain market share with what you're doing. So I'm looking forward for you using this tool to take a look at it and grow your practice and live a life of significance. Have a great day.